Everyone, I'm Raghunath. Hi everyone, I'm Raghunath. So today I tell you how we can secure our WordPress website. This is completely easy process. Before we start the video, I request please subscribe and like the video. So first you can see my WordPress admin panel and please update your theme and plugin file because this is very important. And if you want a WordPress long-term website, then you need to choose a good hosting provider, secure hosting provider. And if you need any premium service, you can call me on this number, and also you get my email on below description. So let me first update my all the unupdated plugin. So this is contact form 7 and so many plugin I already choose. Let me click all the plugin and I click updated. So it's taking 2 to 3 minutes of time because I am using SiteGround. This is completely security hosting provider, secure hosting provider. Also, if I see any cracking file, the hosting provider suddenly send me text me your website have a one malware. So that's why I will suddenly change the file. So you can see right now one by one file are updated. So wait for the end. So now you can check my all plugin are up to date. So right now I need to upload the main plugin, security plugin. So this is also a free plugin, not need to use the premium one, but on this video I will use the premium. So you can use the free one, not have any restriction. So upload plugin. So let me choose the file. So Wonderfence, this is the plugin name. So I also provide the link if you want to using the premium one. Also I have provided the completely plugin file on my Telegram. I also provide my Telegram link. You can join and you can download. So this is now activated time. So let me activate the Wonderfence plugin, security plugin. Let me activate the plugin. It's more important because if you work SEO, if you working so many things on your website, if your website is suddenly stop, then it's so critical problem. That's why we need to use. So click I have read the all the agreement, and if you want to email, this is fine. Just let me add my email address, info@infoity.com. This is also a real email address. If you want to contact me, just use the email address info@infoity.com. So I think it's completed right now. Let me continue. Would you also like to WordPress security mailing list, receive WordPress security? Yes, I want this one. So let me go to dashboard. So here have one option, scan your complete website. So let me scan my website. So next not need this that one. So let me scan. So here have all the options. So now you can see I one issue find on my scanner. So let me check what the issue. So okay, so you can check the plugin premium add-on Elementor need to upgrade, but I don't have the premium file right now, so I can't update, but it's not a big deal. I also have. So let me click start new scanner. So after scanning, I know that what the file I need to change one by one step. It's check any if any plugin, any theme, any URL cracking URL available on your website. This plugin tells you on this file this code available, so you can go through direct through the file and you can use. So now you can check post comment files. This is every time on WordPress. I tell you one thing, every time WordPress, if you create anything, one database table are created automatically. Anything you can do, this is called post. So post type you can also check on database. On the post type you can see one table automatically created. So this is the total data created showing. So wait for the total scanning time. So now you can check my WordPress website. One have the file auto login php. This is through for my hosting provider. I think this file available through my hosting. So there is a option. So file appearing to malicious or unsafe. WP auto login. This is also a difficult file. But I don't think if you want to change, but I want to change this one also. So URL checked, result found only two result are find. So if I want to delete, also have the details. So I click details and I have the option delete file. It's easy to me to delete. So right now I have another work WP admin login format. So on this website, if anyone come and just add WP admin, so here you can see, if you see my screen, you can see here a WordPress glowing option. So if any WordPress website I am open on this browser, you can see, I know that this is a WordPress website. So like that, if I add WP admin, then I go through the login page. So I want to change my admin login. So I need to use one plugin, login hide URL. So this is the plugin. This is also a free plugin. Just search on Google WordPress hide admin URL. So you can change the URL. So many of plugin are available. So you use this one, any free plugin. So WPS hide login URL. So that the option we add a new URL, and this is best solution for us if someone come to through direct our website to get the login link. So go to plugin, and I research about that. It was new plugin and paste WPS hide login. So I click that and I get this plugin. So let me active this plugin. This is 1 million active installation. Just imagine, so many people are using. So let me activate. And if you need any premium service and your website if hacked, then you can contact me. I will help you to reactive your website. So do you want to set it automatically? Yes, enable the update. So let me go to the WPS plugin. Yes, hide login. So I want to add something new. I do not want to tell you.